10 health benefits of parsnip. Parsnip, a sweet and earthy root vegetable, is often overlooked but holds remarkable nutritional value. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this humble vegetable supports overall health in many ways. Adding parsnip to your diet can boost your well-being naturally. Here are the 10 health benefits of parsnip you should know. 1. Boosts immunity. Parsnip is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections more effectively. 2. Improves digestion. High in dietary fiber, parsnip promotes smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Supports heart health. The potassium in parsnip helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease by easing tension in blood vessels. 4. Aids in weight management. With low calories and high fiber, parsnip keeps you full for longer, helping control appetite and supporting weight loss goals. 5. Promotes healthy pregnancy. Parsnip is a great source of folate, essential for fetal development and preventing birth defects during pregnancy. 6. Strengthens bones. The vitamin K content in parsnip contributes to bone health by supporting calcium absorption and bone mineralization. 7. Enhances skin health. Thanks to antioxidants and vitamin C, parsnip helps produce collagen, keeping skin firm and youthful. 8. Regulates blood sugar. The complex carbohydrates and fiber in parsnip slow sugar absorption, promoting balanced blood sugar levels. 9. Reduces inflammation. Parsnip contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and may lower chronic inflammation in the body. 10. Supports eye health. Rich in nutrients, parsnip helps protect the eyes from age-related issues and maintains clear vision. The health benefits of parsnip go beyond its delicious flavor. From improving digestion to strengthening the immune system, this root vegetable is a simple addition to your meals that can make a big difference. Include parsnip in soups, stews, or roasted dishes to enjoy its full nutritional potential and elevate your daily diet. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.